Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can buy and add the USDT, which is the USD Tone coins, on your Tonkeeper app. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Tonkeeper app on your phone. If you don't have Tonkeeper, you can easily download and install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and create an account for yourself and log into your wallet, or you can create a new wallet. After you sign into your account, you will see this type of interface. Now, what you need to do to add USDT is click on Buy and Sell. Scroll a bit down and you can see some of the USDT options available on your region. So this might vary according to the location set or location which you are in. So right now, some of the USDT available are Mercurio, MoonPay and Neo Crypto. I'm gonna give you the example by clicking on MoonPay. So you can see that after I click on Open MoonPay, the login portal will open up. What you need to do is write down your login details or your bank details, make sure they are correct, and buy or add USDT according to your wish. So I hope this video about how you can add the USDT on your Tonkeeper app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.